Hi, I'm Christy. I'm the Youth Engagement Officer for the Hawthorne and Rydfelen area. I've nominated our lovely Lisa Whelpton. Lisa is an Engagement Support Officer with the Youth Engagement Service, and she's been working with us for so many years, I don't really know how many. She's originally supported a lot of the projects in the programme up in Ponty High, and she's now moved down to Ascalaf and Wen, where she has her permanent job in the day supporting young people with ASD. And in the evening, she mainly supports Glencork and Elan Youth Club. The young people absolutely love Lisa. They come in purposely to see her. They want to spend all their time with her, particularly when she's in the kitchen, and just sit and chat with her. I think what you do with young people, Lisa, is absolutely amazing. Keep doing the amazing work that you do. Young people absolutely love you. We love you from Yeps. Nothing is ever too much trouble for you. If there's any opportunity for additional work, or if anyone needs any help, you're always the first person to be there.
Lisa, I couldn't have been where I am today if you didn't have helped me. You guided me through all my darkest pathways and that have faced me. You sat and listened to everything I needed to have a rant about. I couldn't appreciate anyone more than I appreciate Lisa. Thank you for everything you have done for me, Lisa. You have been truly, truly amazing.
I just want to say a massive thank you from all of us at Yeps, but also good luck. You deserve this recognition, and keep being the amazing person that you are.